What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been some time, but it's a little hard when you have a lot going on in life to pick up the camera and record everything you do to the car. But nonetheless, today I have a little unboxing for you guys, and we're also going to install it on the car, and that will be what I have here. So I decided to hop on eBay and then you get a package like this. But if I'm being honest with you, the quality of the product seems good, so we're gonna give it a shot until I buy the one that I want, and that would be a fuel rail. Decided to get, hold on, let me get this out of the, so what we get in the box would be, where's the open side? I think it's right here. Yep. So we get, well, I already opened this obviously and I saw everything that came inside, but you do get the little nozzle for the fuel side. This is plastic? No, this is also metal. You get the little nozzle thing part that goes to the fuel rail, to the fuel line. Put that here, and then you get, of course, your fuel rail. PQY fuel rail. I've seen a few people run them. I haven't seen a lot on them, but I don't know, it sounds like good enough quality for the amount of time I'm thinking about running it. I don't think I'm gonna run this for more than like 2-3 months, and then I'll just keep it as backup or give it to one of the boys. But yeah, for what, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, honestly this is pretty solid. And that's not all you get. You also get the PSI gauge, which honestly surprised me. I did not think that this was gonna come in the package. For 50 bucks, 60 bucks, whatever I paid for this, shipped, honestly, this is not bad. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So, I'm kinda excited to put this on. It's gonna give the last bit of a touch to the engine bay that I've been looking for. Now, as straightforward as this may be to install, I'm going to be also adding some Teflon tape or whatever you guys call that, just to the pieces where the parts that are threaded, simply because I don't want any leaks. So I'll be adding it to the part where the side that the actual fuel line goes into. I'll be adding it down here, and I'll also be adding it to this side. And I believe this is so you can add the gauge on the bottom, like the hybrid racing, but you'd have to also buy the little adapter thing, I believe. Don't quote me on that. So like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Just add some of this tape so that you don't get any leaks. Just like that, it is ready for the car. And now we install it. Just make sure you guys get yourself some rags, because you're gonna need to put it down here under the fuel line so that it doesn't leak a lot, because it will have some pressure. Luckily I haven't driven the car all week, but there should still be some pressure on that line. Just like that, guys, we get to the fun part. You're just gonna want to get a 12. You're gonna have two 12s up here in the front. And the fuel line is out, boys. Now let's just transfer these to the new one and we should be all set. Alright, so injectors are actually now in, and they give a little bit of a fight, but they're in there now. I'd highly advise to take these out on a patch of grass or a corner of the house that you don't care for, simply because there's going to be a good amount of fuel still left in the fuel rail. So yeah, let's get this on the car and see how it looks. Alright, so I'm running into a little issue, and that is that they didn't include the little spacers that go on the stock fuel rail, and the ones from the stock one are too big. So I'm gonna see if I can use one of the little dress-up bolt things just to slide in there so I can fill in the gap. I tested them earlier. It feels like it's going to work fine in terms of the height, so we should be good. Oh, it's on there, boys. That is on there. Last thing is that little clip. I forgot to tell you guys to save that. So if you threw it out, go get it, because you're gonna need that to install back. Because you're gonna need that to put back the stock lines, which simply just slide it back in and you're all good to go. There's that, and then all you have left to do is plug all your injectors back in. And just like that, you are all done. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. I actually wanted a polished one because I'm also currently polishing a valve cover that I have in the backyard, but that's not going too well. So I have a wrinkle black that I might throw on just so it looks a little bit better. But I really want to get this out so bad. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of happy that I got this on. I've been wanting a fuel rail for a while. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Super simple. Just gotta take your time with it, because when you buy cheap stuff, cheap things happen. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If you like this, subscribe. Make sure you comment at the bottom. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what I should do better next time. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see.